Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natassia Lynn. You can find me on Instagram at natassia.lynn. Alright, before we get started, I just want to put it out there that I do have a headband on because I filmed this tutorial probably maybe a week ago, and I don't really want to skew the results or to show you guys the results before you guys actually watch the video, which is why I have a headband on, which is why my hair is behind me. It's not fresh. You're gonna literally see the results in the video, so I don't want to spoil it for you. That's why I have a headband on, and that's why my hair is behind me, because this was recorded like a week ago. Anyways, I do want to let you guys know I am on an MSM/collagen journey, which is causing my skin to, like, it's irritating my skin, giving me like discoloration and a little bit of acne and stuff, which is why I don't have on foundation. I don't want to further irritate my skin, but if you guys are interested in that journey, please comment below and I'll definitely make a video concerning that. Alright, let's get started. Today we're going to be talking about the Nano Titanium by BaBylissPRO. It's right here. Let me try to get it in focus for you. I don't know how well that's working. However, it's the 1.5 inch. I got it at Ulta for $139.99. A lot of YouTube reviewers are saying they got theirs two for $50 or they got theirs for $24.99 at Marshall's. It's not the real one, okay? To find out which sites and which stores sell the real one, you guys have to go on the website, and I'll link that below for you. Yes, I did get this for $139.99. It took me a year to buy this because, listen, this is expensive, okay? It took me a year to decide to buy it because I heard about it a year ago. I heard it was amazing. I was like, I want it, but I was like, $139.99, no, you know? And then maybe a week before I actually purchased it, I added it to my cart, and it took me a week to actually buy it because it's very expensive, okay? But I think it's worth it. All right, so let's get into the specs. This has a swivel cord. The on and off button is actually right here. It goes up to 50, which is up 450 degrees Fahrenheit. A few people have complained that when they're using it, it happens to turn on and off during use. But if you use your hand and you just hold it on the side without the buttons, that should probably eliminate that problem, even though I didn't have it myself. Right, these plates are made of titanium. And from my understanding, with the titanium and the ceramic flat iron held at the same heat setting, the titanium will heat up faster and will conduct more heat than the ceramic, which makes it the superior quality to the ceramic. So that, I guess that's the hype around titanium flat irons. It's also rounded, so if you guys want to curl with it, you can. If you want a tutorial on how to curl with it, please comment below. I'd love to do that. Guys, this is nothing short of amazing, okay? $139.99, the most expensive flat iron I've ever bought, but it's the best flat iron I've ever bought. It's it's 10 out of 10, okay? It's literally 10 out of 10. I would buy this. I would recommend this, and I can't wait for you guys to see what it really does and what it could do because it's amazing, okay? The next thing we're going to use in this video is this. It's a hot comb. I know, traumatic experiences. As long as you're a black girl in America, if you're a black girl in the world, you've had a traumatic experience with a hot comb, okay? The on and off button is right here next to the temperature gauge. It goes up to 20, which I'm pretty sure is probably 420 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm not 100, but this shit gets hot, okay? Literally, this burned my toilet seat. So if you guys are putting it on any surface, you need to make sure this is up. And if you're when you're using it, you need to make sure it's down. If it's hot and you're manipulating this, it won't be a problem because it really does not get that hot, okay? And you're not holding it long enough to even feel the warmth. But this is exposed heat. Even though it might not get as hot as the flat iron, it doesn't have the shell the flat iron does. So you guys have to be careful. If someone is trying to talk to you while you're using this, you gotta, no, because you can't breathe, you can't talk, you can't do anything, because you will get burnt, and if you get burnt, you will die, and there's nothing I can do at that point. So be careful, okay? This also has a swivel cord, and I don't know if I mentioned this. You guys can change the temperature by scrolling this up and down. This was $19.99 on Amazon. Not expensive at all. I will link that below as well, okay? What I do with this is I use it to flatten the base. So when you're using it, you don't, I don't know if you can see, but okay, so Ooh, this is hard. All right, so you see how the comb is like this. You go down and then you press it this way to make sure the heated part lays flat on it. So that's what's smoothing the cuticles down, okay? So put it here and lay flat to smooth the hair down. And that's how I use it, and you'll definitely see that in the video. And that's not on, by the way, so that's why I was able to do that. Another thing you'll see in the video are these two tools. The Denman brush I use to actually chase the flat iron. It's not really a Denman brush, it's actually a fake Denman brush. I think I got it at Target or my beauty supply store, whatever. It says Can2. You guys can find this on Amazon, AliExpress. I love AliExpress, okay? If you guys want to see an AliExpress essentials haul, please comment below, because I love AliExpress. But you guys can find this anywhere. It's not like a flat iron where you need a quality flat iron. You just really need something with bristles. And if you have a brush at home, use that. It doesn't matter what kind of brush it is. Just chase your brush with the flat iron, and that's it. This I got from my mom, but I will link dupes below, okay? And this is just to smooth the product in and to detangle. Same with this. The last but not least, we have the Got To Be Glue Blasting Spray. Guys, a lot of people use this to lay their wigs down, even though I don't, because I usually try to do a glueless wig. And if I'm going out, I might. So if you want to see a video on that, please comment below and I'll definitely get that to you. But this is perfect for laying down flyaways. So if you put it, you use this comb to comb it through, then you use the hot comb on top of that to smooth it in. You guys, that is perfection, okay? That is perfection, and you need it in your life. You need it in your life. This was $4.99 on Ulta. I'll also link that below if you guys are interested. It says Got To Be Glued Blasting Free Spray Scream and Hold for Hair. All right. Another thing I didn't use in the video, but it's super duper helpful, is gel. I mean, granted, you can use a wax stick. That's probably the best. You can use edge control, whatever you want to use. But if you guys use this, just to put a little weight on the flyaways, it will further smoothen and give you a sleek base. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I know it's $139.99, but sometimes you have to spend on quality. Sometimes you have to spend on quality. Coming from me, sometimes you have to spend on quality. And I'm only saying quality because How African Beauty says quality. Her and her boyfriend Josh, and I love them. I will link their channel below if you guys are interested. So please, without further ado, here goes the video. Bye.
He's dipped in the right amount of chocolate. His smile can part the seven seas. Doesn't even belong to me. I've been thinking of ways to go and tell him, but the timing never right. I've been trying to find ways to go and get him, but my mind puts up a fight. Something about the glow. I wanna scream it to the rooftop. I want the whole world to know that I fell in love with melanin. There's something about the glow. He is the epitome of everything that I could ever dream. He makes this so much easier than it seems. He turns lows into highs. He makes sense of the goodbyes, causing smiles with little effort, yeah. Happiness on all times. Cause I fell in love with melanin. He's caused a love earthquake. I wanna scream it from the mountain. I want the galaxy to shake. Cause I fell in love with melanin. He's caused a love a shame, 'cause I fell in love with melanin. He's caused the love earthquake. Ooh, fell in love with melanin. He's dipped in the right amount of chocolate. His smile can part the seven seas. I think heaven misplaced an angel, yet it doesn't even belong to me. I've been thinking of ways to go and tell him, but the timing never right. I've been trying to find ways to go and get him, but my mind puts up a fight. I wanna scream it to the rooftops. I want the whole world to know that I fell in love with melanin. There's something about the glow. I wanna scream it to the rooftops. I want the whole world to know that I fell in love with melanin. There's something about the glow. He is the epitome of that I could ever dream. He made
I'm going to actually try some of my natural hair just to tell you guys how it works. So stay tuned for that. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
make sense of the goodbyes.
I'm going to turn that off.
Causing smiles with little effort, yeah.
Some girl at apple, but you ain't not ready yet. Huh? Old girl? Oh, girl at apple, but you want them already? Hey, yo, look at my God. I'm gonna fix it though. I stopped wearing my retainers and that's my problem. But it will be fixed. Don't worry.